Learning how to script in Roblox part 10. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made the vine for my Roblox game, because it was pretty difficult to make and I think it will be good to show how I made it. In the workspace I added the model for the vine, and inside of the model there's a rope constraint, and that is just the vine, and there's also a script, and I also added this down part, and that is just the bottom part of the vine with this down attachment. And I also added this touch part, so that's the part where if the player touches the part they will get connected to the vine. And then there's also this up part with an up attachment, and that is the top of the vine, and that is the whole vine in the workspace. Here is the script, and first we give a name to the vine, rope constraint and remote event, and then we have this function for when the touch part has been touched. So first we check if the player is swinging, and if not, then we will look for the humanoid root part. If the humanoid root part has been found, we will look for the attachments, and if the attachments have been found, we will create a new attachment and put it inside of the humanoid root part. And then the second attachment of the rope constraint will be set to the player attachment, so the player will be connected to the vine. And then we have this remote event function, where this function will fire if the remote event has been fired. So we check if the person is swinging, and if so, then is swinging is equal to false, and the player attachment gets destroyed. So the player can jump off the vine. And then inside of replicated storage, I've added the remote event called detach vine event, and inside of starter player scripts, I've added a local script. And in this local script, we basically check if the player has pressed on a jump button, no matter on what device they are playing, and if so, then the remote event will be fired, so the player can jump off the vine. When I'm in the game, as you can see, here is the vine, and then when I jump to it, I get connected to the vine and I can start swinging. If you have some tips or questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later!